7. So this is concept 3. A candy bar costs twice as much as a chocolate bar. John used a $50 note to pay for 3 candy bars and 2 chocolate bars. If he received a change of $18, what is the cost of 1 candy bar? So here, when you see questions like this, that tells you how many. You see the quantity is 3 and 2. It's more than 1, the quantity. And then for the candy and chocolate bar, they actually tell you the difference between them is twice, meaning you know candy bar you draw 2 units and chocolate bar you draw 1 unit. So with this, you know you need to draw the stacking model. Okay, so I repeat again. When the quantity for the individual items is more than 1, in this case it's 3 and 2, and they tell you how to draw the 1 candy bar and 1 chocolate bar. In this case, candy bar is 2 units, chocolate bar is 1 unit. You know you need to draw the stacking model, right? So with this, there are 3 candy bars and 2 chocolate bars. So you label all the items that you need to draw first, right? The next step, you draw 1 candy bar and 1 chocolate bar. So 1 candy bar, because of this twice, meaning 2 times, the first item is 2 units. And then the chocolate bar, the second item, is always 1 unit. Then you do all the same for all the remaining candy and chocolate bars, like this, right? Okay, so for this question, they did not tell us the total straight away. What they tell us is that John used a $50 note to pay and then receive a change of $18. So when you pay with $50 and receive a change of $18, how to find how much you have spent? You just take the total minus the change. So $50 minus the $18 change, you get $32. So all the candy bars and chocolate bars total up to $32. So now we have completed our stacking model. So this $32 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So we will write down 8 units equals to $32. We always need to find 1 unit. You take $32 divided by 8 gives us $4. So we go to the question. The question wants us to find 1 candy bar. So just 1. 1 candy bar is 2 units. So 2 units will just be $4 times 2. The answer is $8.